Welcome back to my channel. I'm Krystina. Today I'm going to be talking about products. A question that I personally get asked a lot by my clients and even friends is about hair masks. We all have that dry hair, whether it's a chemical cut or from the weather change or from the sun. We just got through summer, so between the sun and the ocean and the pool, yeah, your hair definitely takes a toll of that. So hair masks are definitely something very, very, very important to use. I usually recommend once a week. I personally don't even use conditioner. I just use hair masks, but that's just me. Also, my hair is very thick and dry, so if you have finer hair or less hair, do not do that. So let's get into our products. So today I have two different companies here. One company is Degennaro, and the other company is L'Oreal. I'm sure everyone has heard of L'Oreal. It's more based in America, I want to say, and Degennaro is more of a European, Italy-based product. Both you can buy online, and I will provide links below for you guys to click if you want to purchase. So the first product I have today is the Vegetarian Miracle Mask by Degennaro. It smells amazing. So freaking good. It is very hydrating and restorative. It's not only so good for your hair, but for your scalp as well. And we should always make sure that we're stimulating our scalps, whether you scrub it, getting those massages. Everybody loves a good hair massage. If you have a boyfriend, make him scrub your scalp, play with your hair. It's so good, it's so stimulating for your head. Keeps the blood flowing. It allows your hair to grow faster if everyone wants their hair to be long and healthy. So yes, this is so good for your hair and your scalp. It smells great, it's restorative, it's rehydrating, and I want to say for people who have frizzier hair, it calms it down. For people who have finer hair, I wouldn't use as much, maybe like a quarter, amount, because it's a little goes a long way with this. But it's amazing. I definitely highly recommend this one. I would say this is what I've been using lately, and my hair has been super shiny and silky. So yes. Degennaro Vegetarian Miracle Mask, definitely. So as far as the L'Oreal products, I have 3 different kinds of the same brand. So this one is my personal favorite. It's the purple, I call it the purple mask, Bliss Unlimited. And this one actually has sparkles in it. I don't know if you probably cannot see it, but it literally has sparkles in it. No, you won't have glitter in your hair, but it definitely glistens, and you could definitely see it while you're in the shower getting your hair washed. You could definitely see it shining through, which is kind of cool. At least I think it is. But so yeah, this mask is great for frizz, and it's very hydrating as well. I usually use this on almost everyone. Definitely better for people with more dry, textured hair, but it's absolutely amazing. And now they have 2 different other versions of this mask, and this mask over here, it's called the Absolute Repair, and this is actually a protein-based mask. Now you have to be careful with protein masks because for the reason being, too much protein will actually give you the opposite effect and dry your hair out. So if you end up using this mask, use it if your hair is like going through a major chemical haircut, you just got your highlights fresh and your hair is feeling super dry, all that protein and molecules that came out of your hair, this will help put them back in. Sometimes I even like to cocktail and use both of them at the same time if you're feeling crazy. But yes, this mask is amazing. If you do end up using this mask, maybe just use this one once a month, I would recommend. But not all the time, because like I said, too much protein will dry your hair out and give you the opposite effect. The last mask I have, same brand, same family. I have the sample version of it today, but it's the Absolute Repair, but it's the newer version of it, and they actually have quinoa in it as well for more protein. So this is another protein-based mask. Same thing as I said before, make sure you don't overdo it. This mask though, this newer version of it, has glitter in it as well, and I feel like you could maybe be able to see it. It smells absolutely amazing, like super refreshing, but this is also great for frizz as well as hydration and repair. So these 3 masks are in the same family. The price range for these masks go for, I want to say, about $25. And for the Davines mask, it's a little bit more pricey. It's about $37. Like I said, I will provide the links below. And if you guys feel like purchasing them, honestly, I highly recommend these. There's definitely a lot of other products out there. Like I said, I'm a huge product junkie and I'm constantly trying new products all the time on myself and on clients. And it's fun doing that because you really get to feel which one works, which one doesn't. It's a very much trial and error kind of thing. And like everything else in this world, I mean, us as humans, everybody's different. Just like our hair texture is different, our taste buds are different, our skins are different. So what works on me might not 100% work on you. However, it's worth a good shot. And these specific products that I showed you guys today, they work really well on the majority of my clients. So I feel as though I felt they were worth sharing, because if they work on most people, hopefully they will work on you guys as well. So if you guys have any questions, please comment below or message me. I will be happy to help you guys with anything you want. If you have any other recommendations for videos, please comment below as well or message me. I'm definitely open to questions about, you know, what more products, how-to videos, even skincare. I'm a huge skincare product junkie as well. I literally have been making regimens for my friends and they're loving it. So yes, please follow and subscribe my YouTube, follow my Instagram account, Krystina Does Hair, my personal Instagram account, Krystina Degennaro, and yeah, feel free to message me, guys, honestly. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.